Sometimes the hardest part of pain isn't what happened. It's how often your mind replays it. You think you've moved on, until one sound, one scent, one date pulls you right back into the moment that broke you. Here's what most people never realize. Your brain doesn't store memories like files. It recreates them. And that means you can change how your mind remembers the past. When you revisit a painful memory and attach new meaning to it, maybe strength, forgiveness, your nervous system learns to respond differently. The emotion that once drowned you becomes the energy that carries you. This is how emotional restoration works. It's not erasing your past. It's rewriting the feeling your body attaches to it. You can start right now. Close your eyes, find the image that hurts the most, and imagine yourself watching it from far away. Like a movie that's finally over. Because when the story loses its power to hurt you, you finally remember who you were before the pain began. When emotion surges, what new meaning will you choose?